Hello everybody, welcome back to How to YouTube. In this episode we'll be talking about YouTube versus Twitch. Which one is better for you in 2021? We'll be interviewing a Twitch streamer who has made his way to stardom with 1.2k followers, making Fortnite and Rocket League streams. Please welcome It's Scotty.
Hello, thank you for having me, sir.
Hello, shall we start the questions?
Yes, let's get to the questions.
Question 1. Why did you choose Twitch over YouTube?
I chose Twitch over YouTube because back when I started Twitch, it was new. A lot of people were like rejoining it, so I thought that'd be an easy way to gain followers from new people coming in. So that's why I chose Twitch over YouTube. And also YouTube already was mainstreaming in media apps, so it would have been a lot more hard for me to grow as a streamer, because YouTube is mainly for videos.
Okay, question 2. Would you stream on YouTube?
If I get big on Twitch and I keep up the followers, I maybe like not stream on YouTube, but like start mini videos about the streams.
Okay. Question 3. What do you like about Twitch?
It's a nice fun server that you meet really nice people, and I think it's just really easy to stream on Twitch. For me, it's just easy, and like with Twitch, you get recommended easier. For me, because there's like less content creators, and on Twitch, you can like search up a game, let's say, and it comes up with like a category of the game you press on it. You could either go to the mainstream streamers, or you can press this thing, and it lets you go down to the smaller streamers. So yeah, which is really cool.
Question 4. Where do you see your Twitch channel in 2 years?
Well, I hope it carries on growing, getting viewers. Otherwise, I might be struggling for a bit.
Question 5. Do Twitch tags help your Twitch channel grow?
No. They don't really help your channel grow. I think it's just there to let the viewers know what you're doing. Like, it doesn't make your channel grow. It just let people know when you stream, what servers you're on, if it's PvP or not. Like if you're warming up, if you're doing solos, duos, playing with viewers, you know. I don't think it's there to help the channel, it's just to help you gain viewers.
Question 6. Do you follow the ABC method? The ABC method means always be casting.
Yes, I do follow it when I have the viewers. When I don't have the viewers, you know, like I sometimes just sit back when I'm on my own, just, you know, playing games, or sometimes just mess around, you know. But when I have viewers, always be casting.
Question 7. In your opinion, YouTube or Twitch, and why?
It depends for me. Like if you want to become a YouTuber to create video vlogs, people would say YouTube. But for me, as I'm a streamer, I'd say Twitch. Twitch is focused on streaming and nothing else, so I'd say Twitch.
Okay, thank you Scotty. Make sure to follow It's Scotty on Twitch. I would say if you had a PC, I would say it's better to stream on YouTube. You can rank higher by its different categories, so can Twitch. If you're on a console like an Xbox or PS4 and you want to stream, Twitch is the best platform for that. Would you agree?
Yeah, because if you have a laptop, you can download Streamlabs, which I use. I use Streamlabs on my laptop to read the chat, to like have loyalty points as well, which you can't really just do on console. So in my opinion, I'd say, yeah, Xbox and PS4 are better for Twitch.
YouTube and Twitch are even. Twitch can be strange to new streamers. Would you agree with that?
Nah, I disagree with that. Twitch is simple, of course. All you have to do is look into Twitch on your phone or your laptop or a PC. But if say you can't stream on the PC, it's fine. So what happens is that you log into an account. Then let's say you want to stream on the PS4 or Xbox or Twitch. What you do is that it gives you a code. You just slap the code in on Twitch on your mobile, PC, on whatever, and then what you do is like boom, you like after that, you can stream whatever you want. And on console, it gives you the opportunity to have a chat as well on your gamepad. Decide you, so say you're gaming on your screen, you don't have a PC or a phone to reach chat. There is an option for the chat to be on the right hand side, which, to be honest, I don't think is the best idea because it minimises your gaming screen, to be honest. So on the dashboard, when it's for when you're streaming. So when you're streaming, let's say you're going to another game, you can use the dashboard to change the title on your stream, and you can change your tags, and you can also get your link from it to share. To share it for other people. So I think the dashboard is very handy for when you're live, and the dashboard isn't really used for when.
So would you say Twitch and YouTube are even?
Yeah. Well, right. So if I don't know, because if you're talking about for like people to make episodes, like to record and vlog, it's for YouTube. If you want to become a streamer, then it's Twitch for you. Like YouTube has a stream, YouTube can stream on it.
Do you know that Twitch was made for just streamers? That was the first idea of Twitch. But on YouTube you can stream and upload videos. So if you're looking for uploading and streaming, YouTube is the best platform for that. But if you're just looking for streaming Microsoft Flight Simulator, I would disagree, because you can keep your streams on your channel. It's an option. You don't have to get rid of them. Like I do for Total Aviation, I upload vids and I upload streams. So I would say if you're looking for a point for you want to stream and you want to upload videos, YouTube can be the platform for that. But if you're only looking for streaming and getting a higher view count, Twitch is the best option. Would you disagree with that?
I don't know. I mean, if you're doing video and recording, I see why it would be easier just to do YouTube. I see that, but if you want to take streaming and like recording, video recording at the exact same, like proper, like both of them, I would say do Twitch and YouTube, because it could also give you more of a chance to grow on either platform. If you grow on one platform, that means it's an easier way to promote your other platform.
I would slightly agree with that. So, YouTube or Twitch? Which one is it for you, Scotty?
Twitch.
So, YouTube or Twitch? Let us know your comments in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much, Scotty, for joining me on this interview. Thank you so much for watching this episode of How to YouTube. If you have enjoyed this episode of How to YouTube, please subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next episode.